Hi, my name is Jane, and I'll be presenting the halfway status update for my proof of concept for the second phase of OSTkit alpha testing. First off, let me apologize for the static on the audio, but there's nothing I can do about it right now, so sorry about that. On to presenting the team. Well, I can be short, it's a one-man show. I'm doing it all by myself. Professionally, I'm a Java developer, and this specific project was done in PHP. The idea behind my proof of concept is based on two things. One of them, OST, is often dubbed as the WordPress of blockchain because of its ease of use and because it's taken the blockchain development out of your blockchain solution, which is quite interesting. And secondly, because loyalty points and reward systems are easy use cases for tokenization, making web shops a good target audience for OSTkit. So the idea was born, why not make it easy for web shop owners to introduce a tokenized reward system based on their own branded token built on OSTkit. So I decided to make a plugin for CraftCommerce, one of the industry's leading platforms for commerce and CMS solutions. In preparation of the actual plugin, I implemented the REST API of OSTkit as a PHP client, which is on GitHub. The plugin itself has a settings page where you can securely and safely enter and store your API key and API secret. Interaction with OSTkit is done by the plugin itself, so whenever a new customer registers on your web shop, the plugin will create a corresponding user on OSTkit. And whenever one of your customers completes an order, the plugin will automatically assign loyalty points to that user. This is done by executing a pre-configured transaction type from company to user. Also implemented is an overview of all transactions in your web shop, balance checks and click-throughs to view OST View, the blockchain explorer of OST. What is not implemented yet is a way to spend those tokens in the web shop itself. And this is something I will be thinking about and working on in the next couple of weeks. More on that later. Bye-bye.